Okay, so what I thought I would do is, and I just figured this out, I already posted a tutorial about how to do a Screencastify, what I was doing it from Screencastify, so I couldn't actually show you how to do it. So this time what I'm going to do, and I'm sorry I'm not looking at the screen because I have a second screen up because that's the screen I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share my screen using this Zoom to show you how to do Screencastify. Then I'm going to come back to Screencastify and use that to show you how to do this with Zoom, because I've gotten a lot of messages that people have had trouble just sharing their presentation. So I'm going to share now. And so right now you should just see just the Canvas, like course shell or whatever. And up here in the corner, you can see this is the little Screencastify logo. So I'm going to want to do that. So I have to have a browser up because the Screencastify is actually a Google Chrome extension. So here in my extensions, I can go look for it, or because I use it so often as a teacher, I have this up here all the time. What I want to do first, though, is pull up my presentation. So here's my presentation, and I'm going to keep it minimized because I want to start this, and I won't be able to see it if I maximize this. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to start my Screencastify, and you can see that it's saying embed webcam. I want to do that. Here's my desktop. So you can choose browser tab, desktop, or webcam only, but you want to do your whole desktop so you can show whatever's up. And then I'll hit record. And it's going to count me down, or at least I think it will. I wonder if it's not doing it just because I also have Zoom up. I have so many windows up, it's not even funny. Okay, so it does say, let me see, I can find out if I'm doing this. Okay, I want to record. Okay, so it's actually not going to let me record, but let's pretend it is. And the reason it's not letting me is because I'm on Zoom already, but let's pretend it is. So I'm going to hit record, and it's going to go beep, 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 like that, and then it'll start recording. Once it does that, now you can go to here, maximize it, and share it. So I'm going to do a reading view, and now I can just go ahead and talk through my presentation, forward it, etc. And that's how you do Screencastify. If you have any questions about that, let me know. I'm going to throw up another recording that is showing you how to use Zoom to do the recording, which is actually a lot easier. I mean, it's not easier, it's about the same, but if you have Zoom already, it's just a matter of recording your presentation and sharing your screen. So I will do that next.